Hello everyone, and welcome back to Glitch Sip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become a true PvP master by using the right setup and techniques. We'll be focusing on a specific loadout and some important mechanics you need to keep in mind. First of all, we're going to use either a netherite sword or a diamond sword. Along with that, we'll also be using the Windwose enchantment, the Wind Charge, and we'll combine all of this with elytras and rockets. Now, why is all of this important? The first thing you need to understand is how damage works when switching weapons. For example, if we hit an enemy with a sword, let's place a zombie here as a test, when we attack and then quickly switch weapons, the damage and auto attack of each weapon reset, allowing us to deal double damage. This is a key mechanic you absolutely need to keep in mind. Another important point is how to properly use these tools to eliminate enemies while taking advantage of the Windwose enchantment. This part can be a bit tricky, especially because we're also using elytras at the same time. The main idea is to combine a netherite or diamond sword with the Windwose effect. That's the core strategy. Let's use a golem as an example. In a real PvP situation, what you want to do is get close to your opponent, throw the wind charge, then attack immediately with your weapon. You repeat this process, and if you don't land properly or things go wrong, you can use the wing sword to save yourself. This is also where elytras come into play. Using elytras together with rockets allows you to move much faster across the battlefield. If you get the right opportunity, you can strike your target while flying. Of course, you need to calculate your movements carefully, because if you mess up, you can end up taking a lot of damage yourself, and that's something you always need to consider. Basically, by using these small but very effective tips, which are honestly quite easy to apply, you'll be able to fully master elytras and significantly improve your PvP performance. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.